Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a canvas frame. First, lay out all your stretcher bars on a clean, flat surface. Make sure you have a rubber mallet handy. It's important to confirm that all the pieces are the correct size for your desired canvas. This initial check saves time and ensures a smooth assembly process. Let's get started with connecting the pieces. Now, take 2 stretcher bars and align them to form a 90-degree angle at a corner. Carefully fit the tongue and groove joints together. Use your rubber mallet to gently tap the joint until it's snug and secure. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 corners, ensuring each connection is firm. You'll quickly see your frame taking shape. Once all 4 sides are connected, it's crucial to square your frame. Measure the diagonals from corner to corner. If the measurements aren't identical, gently push or pull the frame until they match. This ensures your canvas will stretch evenly. Finally, insert the small wooden corner keys into the slots on the inside corners for extra stability and tension. With the corner keys in place, give your frame a final inspection. Check that all the joints are tight and that the frame lies perfectly flat on your surface without any wobbling. A well-assembled frame is essential for a smooth canvas stretching experience. Congratulations, your canvas frame is now fully set up and ready for the next step, stretching your canvas.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.